Warga Negara Asing Wong ng Amerika. He's the man.
Hi everyone. So from the past 24 hours it's been snowing very hard, and yeah, as you can see it's very crazy, I'll say. We cleaned up this driveway. I bet you guys can't even tell that this is a driveway. So we cleaned up this driveway this morning, and now it's full again. So what can we do? There's no cars at all, and I don't suggest going out because it's very cold and you will be stuck. So, but this stuff is just fluff. It's not very packy. I really don't suggest going outside at all. Except if you want to play in the snow like we do.